This just might be the dirtiest Tesla that's driving down the roads today. As you can see, the car hasn't been cleaned since it was first bought back in 2013. The carpet is totally caked in dog hair and there's dog slobber all over the door panels, the seats, the screen. Every inch of the car is totally caked on the inside and the outside. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see the before and after shots and how absolutely epic this transformation was. It's going to look like it did over a decade ago when they first bought the vehicle.